In this video, you will learn how to change small letters or lowercase letters into capital letters or uppercase letters. Currently, you can see here, I have converted these small letters into capital letters. First column shows the names in small letters and second one shows the name in capital letters. I have converted these lowercase letters into uppercase letters using upper function of Microsoft Excel. Additionally, this is very dynamic. If I make any change in first column, for example, if I write anything and press enter, you can see here this change is reflected in second columns and all letters are converted into uppercase. Additionally, in this video, I will explain two easy methods. In first method, we will use the formula, while in second method, we will convert the lowercase into uppercase without using any formula. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, you will learn how to convert these small letters or lowercase letters into capital or uppercase letter using upper function or using formula. Firstly, select the cell where you want to display the result. I have selected this cell, put equal sign, write upper. You can see here upper option appeared here. I will double click on it and select the cell, close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see here the Excel has converted small letters into capital letters. You don't need to apply this formula on individual rows. Simply select the cell where you have already applied the formula. Place your cursor at the corner of the cell. When plus sign appear, drag it down to apply this formula on remaining rows. Now you can see here Excel has converted all these names into uppercase or capital letters. Additionally, if I double click on it, now you can see here the formula is visible here. If you are interested to store result in form of text only, you can also do that. For example, I will select all one, right click and copy this one. After that, go to paste option. From here, go to paste values and I will select only values. Now if I double click on it, you can see here these values are stored in the form of text and the formula is removed from these values. Now you will learn how to convert these small letters into capital letters without using any formula. Firstly, I will remove these values. Now you will learn second method, how to convert these small letters into capital letters without using any formula. Firstly, select this one and write this name in uppercase manually. Press enter, write second name. Press enter. Now select both these names. Now we will provide direction to Excel that convert these small letters into capital letters for remaining rows. I have selected both these. After that, place your cursor at the corner and drag it down for remaining rows. Now you can see here, instead of converting small letters into capital letters, Excel has copied the value. But don't worry, our task is not completed yet. Place your cursor on this sign and an arrow sign appeared here. Click on this sign and here you will find the option of flash fill. Select this option. Now you can see here the Excel has converted these small letters into capital letters. Additionally, you can also find flash fill option. In fill option, simply click here and from here you can choose flash fill option. Additionally, there is also useful feature in Excel. You can use the font style to convert the small letters into capital letters or lowercase letter into uppercase letter, because some font style always appear in uppercase. So if you select that one, then the alt text will automatically convert to uppercase or capital letters. For example, I select this one and I will change font style. Click here, and if I scroll down, you can see here this style always appeared in uppercase. If I select this one, these letters will automatically convert to uppercase. Similarly, you can select any font style to convert the small letters into capital letters. So by using any one of these three methods, you can convert the small letters into capital letters or lowercase letters into uppercase letters. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.